Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick ACLS practice session. If you're studying for your ACLS certification or just want to stay sharp, you're in the right place. Today, we'll go over 3 important ACLS questions, and I'll share a simple way to make learning ACLS protocols much easier at the end of the video. So stick around. Number 1. What is the first medication recommended during a cardiac arrest when ventricular fibrillation is present? Epinephrine, typically 1 mg IV IO every 3 to 5 minutes during resuscitation. Epinephrine helps improve coronary and cerebral perfusion during cardiac arrest. Number 2. What is the recommended shock energy for the first defibrillation attempt in adults with ventricular fibrillation? 120 to 200 joules if you're using a biphasic defibrillator. Always refer to the manufacturer's recommendations, but that's the general guideline. Number 3. After successful defibrillation and the return of spontaneous circulation, ROSC, what is a critical next step in post-cardiac arrest care? Targeted temperature management, TTM, maintaining a specific body temperature to help protect the brain after cardiac arrest. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Want to master ACLS? Get the full guide here. Read the ACLS book. Download the all-in-one summary printable. Install the ACLS app on your phone. To access all these tools today, visit aclsstudyguide.com. Thanks for watching the video.